This video documents detail polishing of concrete by handheld variable speed grinder. This floor drain is rimmed by concrete that's been scratched, but not polished. The scratches were likely caused by a coarse grinding wheel. Here, a 200 grit is tried to remove the scratches. It doesn't remove the scratches and polishes the concrete higher than the rest of the floor. Next, a 100 grit is used. This removes most of the scratches and blends fairly well with the concrete around the drain. Before and after video shows the change. The next opening is a clean out. The same issue is present here as with the first. Once again, the 100 grit is used to remove the scratches and blend the polish. Before and after video shows the change. The third opening is another clean out. Once again, a coarse grinding wheel likely left the large scratches around the drain. The same 100 grit pad is used to remove most of the scratches and blend the edge to a polish. Before and after video shows the change. And that's about it. Detail polishing of concrete by handheld variable speed grinder.